Good morning, everyone. Today we start two aspects of language, metaphoric and metonymic. Roman Jacobson, achievements and works. As we know, he gave the theory of metonymy and metaphoric. So we have to know about his life. Roman Osipovich Jacobson was born in 11th October 1896 and he was died on 18 July 1982. He was a Russian thinker who became one of the most influential linguists of the 20th century. He was founder of Prague School of Linguistics. His notable works are On Language, second, Fundamental of Language, third, Language on Literature, and fourth, Two Aspects of Language, Metaphoric and Metonymic Poles. About metaphoric and metonymic poles. It's published in 1954. It's a kind of an article. Main title, Two Aspects of Languages. It's an interdisciplinary essay. It shows a connection between medical science and literature. Definition. So, according to a doctor, a person who is qualified to treat people who are ill. And according to a linguistics is the scientist study of human languages or work on language. The linguistic problems of aphasia. Aphasia speech disorder is used by Hungling-Jackson. Aphasia, inability to understand or produce speech as a result of brain damage. It affects your ability both verbal and written. Problem with the verbal expression we can see in aphasia patients. Lost full power of speech. Like example, I will take the dog for a walk. Walk and dog, here we can find aphasia problem. The two types of aphasia problem. First, syntagmatic and the second is paradigmatic. In syntagmatic, it goes left to right. It affects across the sentence and grammatical constructions. Like example, I want to go to home, but in this aphasia patient says, I go to want to home. It doesn't make any sense. And in paradigmatic type of patients, it goes deep down. It needed substitute on similarities and differences. For example, for cat, instead of using this pussy, dog instead fluffy. For utterance, these two factors are very important. Two deficiency disorder of aphasia. Similarity disorder, contiguity disorder. In similarity disorder, it loses the ability to select words. They can't find words. Lost the power to select words from the pool of language. Example, knife. For aphasia patient, pencil sharpener, bread knife. In contiguity disorder, it goes opposite to similar disorder. Lose the ability to combine linguistic elements, like infantile utterance needs to understand the word before they utter it. Example, I want to drink water. Instead of using this, they only speak drink water. Two aspects of language, metaphoric and metonymy. Here, in this essay, Jacobson has described two types of figurative language. Here, we all know that metaphor is a type of figure of speech In this, it's a literary term in which similarities between two things, like example, she is a rose. Here, a girl is compared with a rose, and uh, she just look like a rose, but here we can say she is a rose. Directly we say that she is a rose. And in metonymy, it's a contiguity between two things. Example, White House, related with US president, because we all know White House is a house of US president. According to Jacobson, metaphoric. In literature, it's a basis of poetry, and it's a very famous in romantic age and symbolism in literature. Example, it is a lion, means a man has quality like a lion. The Englishman will understand through sentence that a person is brave or is strong, but a person who doesn't know English would not be able to understand why the man called as lion. So here it's a linguistic disorder. Surrealism, similarities, poetry means make comparison between two things that aren't alike but do have something in common. According to Jacobson, metonymy. In literature, it's a basis of realism. For example, the pot is boiling. Here, instead of using water, the word pot has been used. So, through this sentence, a linguistic could understand the meaning of sentence. The water is boiling, but a common man wouldn't understand by linguistically. It's a linguistic disorder because linguistics have knowledge about words. Comparison between metaphoric and metonymic. Here, Jacobson has given the idea of two types of figurative languages, where Jacobson said that metaphoric pole, the subject wouldn't related with the things. Like example, as we know, he is a lion. So here we can find that the person is not closely related with lion because he have the quality of lion but not birth by lion. And through metonymic pole, Jacobson said that the word has the close relation with a particular thing. Like example, White House. It only indicate and related with US president, so it's clearly about this. Importance of metaphoric and metonymic languages. Metaphoric and metonymic are fundamental opposite poles along which a discuss with human language. It has been two poles of similarity and contiguity are fundamental ones which the human language, the two have been called metaphoric and metonymic. In linguistics, they are connected to the paradigmatic and syntagmatic. Metaphor create a strong image that can add communication and thinking. Discover how to use them to your advantages and develop your metaphorical thinking. It has a remarkable role in making your subject more relevant to the reader or to make a complex thought easier to understand. They help tremendously when you want to enhance your writing with imagery. Metonymy gives writers the ability to make single words or phrases more powerful. You can add meaning and complexities to even the most ordinary, like it helps writers to more concise, and it allows writers to express themselves creatively, substituting a different words or phrases. The couple, metaphoric and metonymic, had a prominent role in the renewal of the field of rhetoric in the 1960s, And in this essay, Roman Jacobson described the couple as representing the possibility of linguistic selection, metaphoric and metonymic. In especially metaphoric, it is a basis for poetry as in literary romanticism and symbolism, whereas metonymic form basis of realism in literature. Conclusion. To the concluding part, Jacobson says that they applied this concept of metaphoric and metonymic especially to language and structure and play an important role. Through this essay, Jacobson shows up two aspects of language, example, good or bad. On the one side, he's talking about the patients of aphasia and language learner who faces the difficulties to understand the language and how to use language. And the second is on the other side, this he's talking about linguistic and linguistic experts who know how to use languages. Thank you for listening me.